students, now let us start with the first slide, that is basics of commodities. What is the commodity? Okay, this basics and also I'll be finishing faster. Even though I know that many of you may be first time learning something on commodity trading, but believe me, you don't have to learn so deep into the commodity trading, crude oil and all this. Just basics is enough. Most important when you're trading crude oil is that how to read chart and data are important. How to read data, how to read the data, how to read the chart strategies. Those are very important. Basics are important just as a foundation to know what is crude oil, right? What is types of crude oil, what is commodity market. So that is why this will be basics. I will be going faster. Okay. So why commodity market? When you already have a stock market, why commodity market is traded? And the answer is commodity market. If you don't know, is the oldest trading market in the world. Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Sensex, Mid Cap, right? You must be thinking that is very old. No, that is not the old. The oldest market in the world. I'm not only talking about India. Oldest market in the world is commodity market. You know candlestick, right? You know candlestick is invented by some Japanese trader. Okay, candlestick is invented by a Japanese trader, not 10 or 20 years back. It was like almost they say that almost in 17th century, more than 300 years back, this candlestick was invented in trading. It was invented by a Japanese trader who used to trade in rice. So that means he was a rice commodity trader and he has invented that candlestick in 17th century. You can imagine how long commodity market is there in the world. It's not about commodity mean I'm not talking about crude oil. Commodity mean anything, agri or non-agri. Okay, so rice, wheat, cotton comes under agri commodities. So I'm talking about that. Okay, so that is the commodity market is the oldest market in the world. Most successful traders in the Western world are from commodity market. In the Western countries, you must have heard of some very popular names, successful traders like Jesse Livermore or W.D. Gann. Right? There are many successful traders in the Western world, and if you read their books or if you read about them in the Google and all this, they will keep mentioning about the how they have traded soybean, how they have traded cotton, how they have traded palm oil. Everything they will be discussing in their books. So that means commodity market they were trading many years back, 100 years back and all. So that means commodity trading is oldest trading in the world. Okay. Next is commodity market tend to trade for a very long time based on supply and demand. When I say about the supply demand, I'm not talking about how we discuss in Nifty Bank Nifty. Okay, there is a supply here candlestick took resistance, there is a demand here this candlestick bounce. Not about that supply demand. Okay, so that is why it based on supply and demand. So whenever there is a demand, what happens? Price keeps going up, right? Like everybody knows that when there is a huge demand, anything price will keep going up. When there is a huge supply, that means there is no demand, what happens? Price keeps going down. So that is how commodity trading market works purely based on supply and demand. And when I'm talking about it tends to trade very for a very long time based on supply and demand means something like this. One thing you'll see when you're trading commodity trading, you'll see that this is a bullish candle, okay? You'll see this. In Nifty Bank Nifty we talk about parabolic movement, right? So we talk about this what happens in Nifty Bank Nifty. Very rarely it happens whenever there is a news, right? In normal how market moves in Nifty Bank Nifty. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. That is how Nifty Bank Nifty moves, right? The commodity can also sometimes can go like this. That means it can keep going in a trend without making a very candle for a very long time. If there is a huge demand, if there is a huge supply, it can keep falling like a 9 pin. If a big bearish candle keep falling like this. That all happens in crude oil. That is what I mean to say that crude oil have tendency to trend for a very long time based on supply and demand. So that is why it's a good opportunity for directional based traders. That means if you are a directional based trader, what we do? I'm a directional based trader. You know that most of my videos and all this what I post and my courses also when I discuss about the strategies, most of the time it's a directional based trading, right? Taking a bullish position or taking a bearish position, that is what known as directional based. So if you are also a directional based trader, then crude oil is a very good instrument for you to trade because it can goes in a direction. If your direction is right, keep going up one direction. Another thing is that when you are trading crude oil, unlike in stocks, very few instruments to focus on commodity market. I said in my earlier YouTube videos also many times I say that Nifty Bank Nifty is my favorite instrument to trade. Why I used to say that compared to even trading stocks, even though I trade in stocks, but for me most favorite is Nifty Bank Nifty. I used to say that not now, 3-4 years back only I used to tell that in my videos. Why? Because when you're trading in indices, Nifty Bank Nifty, you don't have to worry about hundreds of thousands of stocks, right? Only focus on Nifty Bank Nifty. That is easier, right? Scanning so many stocks and all this. It's a time-taking process, and always it is better to have a few instrument to trade so that you focus only on that instrument. Same way when you are trading commodity also, only few instrument to focus. Yes, commodity also there are so many commodities you can trade.